That's a traditional way of making pizza.
Sempre alla mattina.
That's so crazy if you
e
see it
dopo
here.
alla sera di nuovo. O sta tutto il giorno.
No, tutto il giorno. Quanto usi io prima?
The pizza order किया है. Fungi. And what is this one?
100 degrees, no? He told you.
Have you see how it's survived?
Water. तो भाई साहब ऐसा सा कुछ माहौल है. अभी हम लोग थोड़ी देर पहले गए थे लेक पे, लेक कोमो और डिपली. भाई साहब पानी इतना ज़्यादा ठंडा था ना कि पाँव जम गए ऐसे, तो तुरंत निकल आए. सो बाकी मज़ा आ गया, जगह अच्छी थी. और अभी हम जा रहे हैं डिनर करने, क्योंकि 6 बज चुके हैं करीबन. और ये कुछ जगह है, ये मैं तुम्हें थोड़ा सा दिखाऊंगा ऐसे ही. तो ये लोगों का कैंपर्स हैं. यहाँ पे लोगों ने अपने सेटअप किया हुआ है. ये पूरा कैंपिंग एरिया है जहाँ पे लोग अपनी गाड़ियाँ लेके आते हैं. तो कारावन भी लेके आते हैं. ये कारावन ही है एक्चुअली. दिस वन इज़ कारावन. ये कैंपर है. पीछे लोगों ने टेंट लगाए हुए हैं. पूरा ये जोन ही वैसा है, समझ रहे हो. पर अच्छी जगह है, मतलब दिस इज़ रियली गुड. शांत है, काफ़ी शांत है मतलब फ़िलहाल अभी तो. और कॉमन टॉयलेट होता है, होता है जैसे यहाँ देख लो. ये पूरा सामने तुम्हें दिख रहा होगा ना, वो उधर सामने वो जो आंटी जी जा रही हैं, उधर पे लेक है और ये पहाड़ है, माउंटेन है. दिस इज़ अ माउंटेन, यू कैन सी हियर. और यहाँ से हम लोग आए थे, गाड़ी पार्क की हुई है वहाँ पे. तो ये तुम देखोगे ना, ये सब लोगों ने अपने टेम्प्रेरी समर हाउसेस या हॉलीडे होम्स टाइप बना के रखे हैं. थोड़ा ही सही सीन है. हमारा भी है कुछ ऐसा. ये खैर ये फ़िलहाल बासिल का है, जो लिविया का भाई है उसका है ये कैंपर. और ये पेरेंट्स की है. तो लकीली हमें ये यहाँ पे जगह मिल गई सोने की. सो इट्स गुड, वंडरफुल. देखो यहाँ पे तुम देखोगे ना, ये एरिया मोस्टली टेम्परेरी लोगों का है. यहाँ पे ये जो जगह है ना, ये परमानेंट है, जहाँ पे लोग साल भर के लिए जगह को ब्लॉक कर देते हैं और रेंट देते हैं. 2,70,000 है मेरा ख्याल है ईयरली रेंट इस जगह का. इस एक कैंपर का इसका सेपरेट होगा, जो लिविया के पेरेंट्स पे करते हैं. बट जगह भाई साहब, ये व्यू है, ऐसा लग रहा है कैलाश टाइप हमने. और क्या चाहिए यार. ये धर्मपत्नी जी हैं. हेलो जी, नमस्ते.
Namaste.
थैंक यू फॉर ब्रिंगिंग मी हियर.
Sure, always.
My wife is so cute. Yeah, I'm truly blessed to have her in my life. Like, this is the bestest could ever happen to me, and she happened. Tonka.
He's best that ever happened to me.
Yeah, we both are same to each other, which is great. Okay, so now we are planning to go to dinner and see the cool cycle. I'll show you cool cycle, Italian style cycle. If you see it, ये देखो. ये अब इंडिया में इस टाइप की साइकिलें देखने को नहीं मिलती हैं, बट तुम्हें ये इसके फादर की है, मतलब यहाँ आपके लिए टेम्परेरी साइकिल है. तो वही है, बाकी सब बढ़िया है. बाकी चलो मिलते रहेंगे बीच में. हाँ, या give you hand. I give you my hand is small. Oh, look at those houses. Huh? Nice. It's possible.
So we go very the back streets.
Where is the back street?
It's not like main street.
Uh-huh.
We took the fast.
Okay,
Way.
shortcut. That kind of house I would like to have, you know.
Yeah. And the sun?
So you have been coming.
40 years.
Papi, oh yeah. So since the
40
time you
years.
are all born,
Yeah,
they come here. So this is a restaurant. ये है भैया पिज़्ज़ेरिया यहाँ का famous pizzeria. Okay.
Yeah.
Because we are in Italy, so pizzeria. No, sorry, pizzeria.
Pizzeria.
Pizzeria. So देखते हैं कैसा होगा भैया भोजन.
And this is Leo.
And this is Leo.
Ciao.
Leo?
Buonasera, ciao.
He's old man, huh?
Hi, Leo.
No, no. No, no. No, mommy, here is good. No, no. I don't want pizza. I want Indian chapati and paneer tikka.
I don't know, maybe we go
Quelle che vengano. Però.
to ciao to Milano. Maybe you will get it. So
No, I will cook it.
pizza,
No?
pizza.
And pizza. So you
That's all the
So we
pizza.
take what you suggest, no? Better, no? मेरे को तो पता भी नहीं है क्या लेना है.
So I will take with 4 different cheese and with rucola with the salad on it. I will take this. You wanna have same or you wanna have with different vegetables?
Oh, that's crazy. This is like a wood, huh? It's a wood only, no?
Yes, it's wood. So
Wow,
they
it's a-
make the fire every day.
Oh wow. That's a traditional way of making pizza.
Sempre alla
That's so
mattina
crazy if you
e
see it
dopo
here.
alla sera di nuovo. O sta tutto il giorno.
No, tutto il giorno. Quanto usi io prima?
Ah?
Io sono acceso verso le 5, 5 e un quarto.
Ah,
Per
ok.
riscaldare un po'. Perché basta
Ok.
il temperatura. Quando è chiuso qua dopo il mezzogiorno,
Sì.
basta la temperatura. Quando arriva acceso, basta ancora la temperatura.
Ah, ok.
Temperatura
Però sta
adesso.
acceso tutto il giorno.
Sì, secondo me adesso tutto il
Sempre.
giorno. Sì, adesso quasi 350 gradi adesso. Divido 350, 400.
Before 12 they
Uh-huh.
start the oven.
Celso,
Yeah, preparations and
questo è il
stuff.
12 invece.
And then they make pizza.
Uh-huh.
So it's 300 degrees.
Oh wow.
And at 5 he
Uh-huh.
makes a new fire inside
For the evening.
for the evening.
Oh wow.
So it's like burning the whole day.
Yeah.
But he does it new.
Adesso non c'è tanto lavoro. Quando c'è tanto lavoro, alza la temperatura
So
fino a
good.
400.
400. Until 400.
Degrees.
It's a lot of work
Uh-huh,
until 400 degrees.
Wow. Fantastic.
Italian, collega.
I am trying to speak Italian and he's the chef. I try. Oh,
And here you see he has all the
Wow.
stuff for the pizza.
that's a really traditional way of making pizza.
Where are you from?
India. Yeah.
India?
Yeah. You know India?
Va bene Celso? Ah sì, beautiful India.
Yeah. Big country.
big.
Country. Yeah.
Adesso, problema, Pakistan, India,
Well, from the beginning, always we had India-Pakistan problem. India, Pakistan is a child, no?
Sì, Child.
Child of India, say. Pakistan.
E il bambino
Ah,
It come out from
dell'India.
India.
sì.
Because he's not Italian.
Uh-huh.
Egypt.
Oh, Egypt. Oh, yeah. Egypt, Cairo, right?
Sì, Cairo, sì.
Ah, see?
A Cairo più.
Cairo, beautiful.
La piramide.
Egypt is
It's very beautiful.
yeah, there is a famous thing, no? In
La
Egypt?
piramide.
Pyramid.
The
Yeah,
pyramids,
pyramid.
yeah.
Veramente
Fantastic.
questa.
One day we go.
One day you want to go?
Yeah,
Okay,
why
we
not?
go.
Pyramid.
This is our pizza.
Oh.
Sì.
Aspetta. Photography. तो भाई देख लो ये है पिज़्ज़ा पिज़्ज़ेरिया में पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर किया है फुंजी एंड व्हाट इज दिस वन
4 formaggi.
4
4 cheese.
4 cheese pizza so let's see we try and I hope it's nice. Okay, ready?
Yeah, I'm super ready. So, I show you.
Baby, I
Make
know.
like this.
Oh, from center.
First you make the center cut.
हो गया भाई मेरी जीवन. Oh love.
Come give me.
I will break the pizza. And then my wife better do it.
Yeah, he's not so used to use fork and knife.
Otherwise I'll make a roll and I'll eat.
So, now if you want, you can take it like this on your hand or you cut it more.
Yeah, okay. One second more.
Zo.
Okay, so let's try. Oh wow. Hot, huh?
Yeah, it's hot. It's 300 degrees, no? He told you.
Have you see how it's the fire burning and backside?
Oh wow.
That's pretty high. I'm home. You like it?
Oh yeah.
Okay, next piece. It's the highest. It's actually not the highest point. It's a
Oh, yeah?
little bit behind. It's higher.
Oh wow.
So I have been there.
तो भाई यहाँ पे तो मैं अपने आप को बूढ़ा समझ रहा हूँ. मम्मी और पापा वाले लोग वो उधर टावर है ना, उधर पे साइकिल से गए हैं. They literally
this
climb.
tower love.
Oh this, yeah, even this one is high.
Yeah, that's
This
more
one.
high.
This one. भले ही 2-4 साल पहले गए हैं, लेकिन भैया गए हैं साइकिल चला के. मतलब it takes hell lot of a. So yeah, at the age of even 65, 66, even if you're climbing the mountain with a cycle, it's a big deal, bro. So भाई साहब भोजन हो गया, पिज्जा खा लिया, मजा आ गया, पेट
Now
भर
he
गया.
will get,
My stomach is full. See. Yeah.
And they invited us for the
And they
pizza.
invited us. Yeah. Anche filmon? No, gracias.
Grazie.
Gracias. So ये देखो ऊपर से घर वर बने हुए हैं. सही है यार, इटली भी सही है. Beautiful. Italy is beautiful. Yeah.
And this is the north, so
Is it
south will be different again.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
a little different again.
Yeah.
These are fig trees. You see the fig?
Figs. Oh, figs.
Here
What
it's
is
the
figs?
Anjeer.
Anjeer. Figs. Figs. Not fits, baby.
Figs.
Figs. Fig. Fig.
Fig.
Fig. Yeah. Look at this.
And that's a cherry tree. Cherries.
Oh, this is the cherry. Red cherry?
Yeah.
And there are so many bees
Oh, yeah?
trees. And
Oh.
when you will buy honey,
Uh-huh.
this is one of the cheapest honey you can buy, acacia honey.
Uh-huh.
Achtung, zouten komt, hè?
Very open.
Oh, look at this mountains.
These are the mountains you have seen.
We have seen from that side, no? So, Shane.
Like this we came.
Uh-huh.
Valley.
We have seen it from the left side.
Uh-huh.
These mountains have been at our left side.
Yeah.
But you can see the top. When you are
Because it's cloud, no?
no,
You see this?
because you are so deep
Yeah.
on the street.
Oh yeah, you cannot see.
Yeah. Papi, stop me. Huh?
Is snow.
Oh, yeah. Right in the middle, yeah.
A small
Uh-huh.
valley
Uh-huh.
full with snow.
Uh-huh.
And down under you see a line. There is water dropping down, a waterfall.
There.
Yes,
Oh,
under
yeah.
this line.
Oh, yeah. There.
Yes, and this
Oh,
is
wow.
melting, and it's like a glacier.
Oh,
This-
yeah.
Years ago, the whole year there was snow.
Snow. And now it's
now
melting.
in September, no, it's earlier. It's finished,
Oh, okay.
and it depends on how many snow is in it
Uh-huh.
and how hot is. Probably also in June it's finished.
Schmeckt du das? Schmeckt Smell on this.
Smell on this?
Smell.
Yes,
also.
Oh wow.
Careful, here it's a green spider.
Hi green spider.
It smells like a mix between.
Look at this cat. It's just posing.
Wat is your tiger onder de ook
Okay, good morning, bye. Good morning from Italy. Good morning. And what you call in Italian?
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Buongiorno. और भाई अभी क्या सोए हैं मतलब खतरनाक. I slept so well. How did you sleep?
Me not, but it's fine if you slept well.
We are going somewhere?
Yeah, we have to go to the office quickly.
Oh, okay.
So see you in a bit.
या अब जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे मेरे डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करने हैं. फिर मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर में. पर व्यू कुछ देख लो ऐसा सा है. सुबह सुबह के नज़ारे. और ये है ऑफिस. चलो तो भाई साहब हो गया काम. रजिस्ट्रेशन. So it was like a registration only, no?
Yeah. Because we are here, no, since 40 years.
Yeah.
So our second home.
Yeah.
Ciao,
Hello, ciao.
buongiorno. Tutto bene?
Sì, bene, bene.
Benissimo.
Ciao. ये है बंदा गार्डनर यहाँ का. पूरा सब टेक केयर करता है पूरे गार्डन की.
Yes,
ओ भाई.
he's the gardener.
But Italy has something, huh? It's something, this part of it. Like now I feel it why you know really like this,
Yeah, huh?
you know.
It's this energy here and this.
Yeah.
I don't know, everybody's so friendly with each other.
Yeah. It's
and-
some touristic. It's more of a Goa, let's say Goa in Europe.
Yeah, no.
और ये बार था जहाँ पे हम लोग आए थे कल. I had a hot chocolate. बाकी लोगों ने अपनी अपनी मर्जी से जो पिया था पिया था.
Now we go for shopping and then we can come here and have it home.
Yeah, we see. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
We what I'm thinking that what we can do is like we can buy a milk.
Milk is there.
Where?
Home already.
Oh, okay. So we see. So ये पेनी डोबासो ये सुपरमार्केट है यहाँ का.
Yes.
ओ भाई ये कुत्ता सेंट बर्नार्ड. That's a Saint
yeah.
Bernard, right?
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a Saint Bernard dog. That's a nice big dog.
No, that's that. Small dog.
Yeah. But it's a good quality. This one is better quality. I had a friend also who had it, but that was a bit weird. That was tall, but
Yeah, some are. Yeah.
maybe mixed they were. और बाइक तो देखो यहाँ पे एकदम अलग ही लेवल पे होती हैं बाइक्स और कार. 59 we got a pasta. That's so crazy. ये देखो बैग फुल है पूरा. ये 35 euro, 35 euro, 3,500 rupees. बैग फुल. इन इंडिया 1500 में फुल हो जाता था. In 1500 बैग would be like this.
Yeah.
But the quality of product is also different, no? जैसे पास्ता इंडिया में कभी 85 रुपए का नहीं मिला मेरे को, और वो भी ब्राउन पास्ता. In 85, no, it's impossible.
Yeah, and also this like pasta anyway in India, forget it.
Yeah.
Pasta, it's not pasta like it's here.
Yeah, of course, it comes from here only, no? So it will be better here. तो ये शॉपिंग हो गई है. अब जाएंगे घर, बैठेंगे, कुछ
Now we will have an amazing breakfast.
Yeah, we'll have a breakfast.
So we do our brioche by ourselves
Yeah.
because they don't have without egg.
Yeah, good.
All this it's with egg.
Super.
But in the other shop, in this big shopping hall,
Uh-huh.
there we can find without because
Yeah,
last time
no
I
worries.
bought without.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Oh, what a flower. Is it a rose? Nice.
These are roses, yeah.
Oh wow, भाई यहाँ के रोज देखो. So big, huh? Oh my god.
And take
Listen.
smell.
Oh wow.
Crazy, no?
भाई इतने बड़े हैं रोज ये.
They are so
Crazy.
pretty. Look this. It's
Oh yeah,
this
this
one.
is pink color.
This is different.
Oh wow.
They have here
So
all
shame.
these are different.
तो भाई प्रिपरेशन चल रही है नाश्ते की. ये सब लेके आया गया है. अब हम भोजन करेंगे. मैं सुंदर अद्भुत धर्म पत्नी भोजन तैयार कर रही है. हाँ भाई साहब, मतलब फीलिंग अलग है. पिक्चरों में देखा करता था मैं कैसे खाते हैं हॉलीवुड फिल्मों में. आज हम भी खा रहे हैं. गुरु कृपा से सब कुछ हो जाता है भैया.
Enjoy.
Danke vielmals.
Bitte gerne.
No, gracias.
Grazie.
Gracias. New word I've learned. Gracias and buongiorno. Buongiorno.
But it's
Italian.
called grazie.
Grazie. Grazie. Grazie is Italian word and buongiorno also is Italian word. One means thank you, other means hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
They make a market here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And this is the government house.
Ah.
Here, with the park. And
Uh-huh.
always in summer,
Uh-huh.
they have a weekend.
Uh-huh.
They make kids disco.
Ah, okay.
The
Like
kids can come
okay.
and dance.
Yeah, yeah. Nice.
And they make a miss
Ah.
competition.
Okay, so which city are we in? Varcano.
Domaso.
Domaso. So Domaso का चक्कर लगा रहे हैं हम और घूम फिर के दिन में आज दोपहर को हम लोग लेक के आसपास वॉक किए थे और अब हम जा रहे हैं स्ट्रीट पे। तो स्ट्रीट का कुछ ऐसा नज़ारा है जो तुमने देख ही लिया है थोड़ा बहुत, और ये लेक है सामने। व्यू अच्छा है बोल रही है, फ़ोटो अच्छी आएगी, लेकिन अब तो डार्क हो चुका है, सन पूरा डाउन हो चुका है, पर व्यू तो वाकई अच्छा है यार। मतलब बट लव वी विल गो टू नैनीताल ऑल्सो वंस, भीमताल ऑल्सो वंस। Oh wow, oh this looks like a Venice, huh? Better than Venice. Austria तुम कुछ नहीं हो।
And look this nice building.
Yeah, that's fantastic. So this is more like a city, no? Oh, these are also
It's
nice.
a little village, love. It's not a city at all.
Let's say a small town. This is not a village. A village.
It's a
Village
village.
means really small thing.
It is very small. That's all.
No, in village in India it's like where you have a population of hardly 1,000 people. That's we call it village.
Okay.
Village. Like minuscule part of. My wife does not feel like to walk today on down here.
No.
मैंने पहले सोचा यहाँ नीचे वॉक करके जाएं, बट वो बोल रही है रोड पे चलेगी। तो चलो ठीक है भाई, रोड पे चलेंगे, क्या करेंगे, जैसी धर्मपत्नी की आज्ञा हो वैसा ही करेंगे हम।
You want to have ice cream?
गलातो करना है तो गिरना तो
Gelato?
gelato. I'm okay यार, I'm not really ice cream fan.
Yeah, that's
I don't know, I just feel, and I'm too full already, you know. Hello.
You want to say something?
Hoi.
So this is our Italian town. It's very pretty at the lake. How do you like it?
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia.
Amore, amore.
So you like it?
I love it. It's very nice, yeah. It's very, love it. Just love it. Lake Como, love it.
Look, this beautiful building here. These are all typical buildings here, no?
Ambition. कार के शीशे की सफाई हो रही है। ओके, सो गुड मॉर्निंग भाई साहब। आज है सैटरडे, टुडे सैटरडे, और 2 रातें हो गई हमें इटली में। आज हम जा रहे हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू सी द टाउन, like nearby towns, or also shopping mall also. We'll go for shopping also. Yeah, we'll go for shopping also. पानी भर दिया गया है।
For dinner.
For dinner?
For dinner shopping we go.
For dinner shopping we go.
And shopping for some stuff we can take home.
Yeah. सो मेरी धर्मपत्नी मेरे को गाड़ी चलाने नहीं दे रही है, उसे विश्वास नहीं है मुझ पे, सो शी इज़ नॉट लेटिंग मी ड्राइव एट ऑल. ओके लव, दिस बैग आई कीप इट बैक.
Whatever you want.
I close this. गड्डी निकल चुकी है सड्डी. ये देखो ट्राइम टाइगर, BMW, GS, all kind of cars are going. कल इधर ही पे हम लोग वॉक करके गए थे, आज हम घूमने जा रहे हैं. बहुत ही मज़ा आएगा आज, बहुत अद्भुत लगेगा. ये चर्च भी बहुत सही था यार. इट वॉज वेरी नाइस चर्च. Loved it. ओ ये देखो, ये आज दिन में देखो लेक. ओ माय गॉड. ये देखो, आज देखो तुम इटली के शहर. ये है इटली के शहर. Did we come from this way? Yes.
No, we came from the other side.
Okay.
Now we go more down at the lake.
Okay. ये है इटली. ये बंदा बीच में गाड़ी घुमा दिया. लेक कोमो हाउस रेंटल. ये देख लो, यहाँ पे ड्रेसिंग सेंस भी बहुत सही है बुड्ढों का. ओल्ड पीपल, they have a really, and especially men, they have a really nice dressing sense, no?
Old?
Old men,
old.
like local who
Yeah,
are,
yeah.
even men actually.
Okay, they
See?
say Italians are the best
Looking men.
looking men
Yeah, I agree.
on the planet.
Yeah, I agree.
And this is especially because of what they are wearing
Yeah,
and
yeah.
how they wear the
Yeah,
clothes.
yeah.
They have a very nice
Style, yeah.
and special style.
Yeah, I agree. मतलब मुझसे ज़्यादा नहीं है, but ठीक है. They are not more stylier than me, but yeah.
Sure, because you have a stylish wife who knows how to style
Me?
a stylish husband.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, नमस्ते दोस्तों, कैसे हो सब लोग? How are you doing? You want to say something in Hindi?
In Hindi? Namaste.
Namaste. Guten Morgen and buongiorno in Italian. तो अभी हम लोग बैठे हैं यहाँ पे कॉफ़ी cappuccino and there it is.
Grazie.
और हमारी कॉफ़ी आ चुकी है.
This is a
Check this out.
cappuccino.
This is a cappuccino, we have it. And अभी हम लोग पिएगा और देखेगा कैसी है. और कबूतर घूम रहा है, देखो कबूतर आएगा क्या, खाएगा क्या. You want to add sugar? They don't have brown sugar? I love brown sugar. तो भाई कुछ ऐसा सा है. और घूमते घूमते हमें पिताजी मिल गए. साइकिलिंग करके वो निकल रहे थे, तो उन्होंने कार देख ली कि मम्मी की कार यूज़ कर रहे हैं हम लोग. तो वो आगे हमें लगा कि हम लोग कहीं आसपास ही हैं. देन ही केम एंड से हाय टू अस. देखो. What is this? What is this, love?
Here for the ship.
Ah, for the ship.
For the boss.
Here you buy the tickets and then
Ah,
ship
okay.
Have you seen it?
No.
It's the it flows over the board.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but no, I haven't like seen it here.
nice ship van Lennox 76. Yeah, nice.
ये है लोकेशन. भैया चलते चलते मॉल में आ गए हैं. ये है कहीं आसपास का यहाँ मॉल. We want to buy it's a shopping center. It's a mall.
It's
a
a
mall.
mall.
Only. It's a mall only nearby.
So there are a few shops,
Uh-huh.
and the biggest it's the shop. It's like a Migros.
Ah.
Here it's called Iperal,
We
and they
not
have
carry
like
bags.
everything. No, we don't.
We don't need. Okay.
It's okay.
So
They
ये
have
है
very
कुछ.
good ones.
They give free of cost.
No, sure not.
ओके. सो यही है भैया मॉल ही, यहाँ के पास का सिटी मॉल. बट व्हाई डिडंट यू बाय जैकेट्स?
Because there was nothing like I wanted.
Okay,
So
good. So
what should I buy?
so good.
And the T-shirt I wanted, and I did not go back because my
Oh.
nerves are gone.
That's what happens. It's okay.
At least you get some slippers.
Yeah, some slipper, maybe one slipper. Not some slippers.
Slipper. But this is not a good idea with the backpack.
Which backpack? Love, wait. I will carry this with me. Don't
You
worry.
carry it with you. It's
Yeah, yeah. You just kept it as of now. It goes a bit crazy sometimes. You what? Which jacket you want? Okay, bhai. So Lake Como. हो गया bye bye. We are leaving from here. Ah, such a wonderful stay. Such a wonderful campsite. We'll come soon again. Here's the key, my love. Keep it. I drive.
don't drive.
She don't let me drive, huh?
No, I told if you want to drive, we go for parking.
Arey, but this is also parking, no?
But your license is valuable in Switzerland.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
Your license is anywhere valid because it's a
Anywhere?
driving license. Yeah, yeah. Because it's a driving license. You just need a, for the main streets, you need like a international permit.
Interesting.
International permit. So
Ah,
suppose if you go to national highways and highways and all, especially when you cross borders, then you need an international driving permit, something they call it. Even if you are from Switzerland, if you cross border by car, you also need a permit. Like besides in Europe, only in Europe you don't need. But if you go to like USA, you need international driving permit.
Not true.
But you have to brain the other side of the road.
Yeah,
The right side.
yeah, that's why.
The right side, not the left side.
Right side.
I never had.
Baby,
I
you.
just had when I went to Mexico.
You-
I did this special.
But did you cross
license.
borders while driving? No, no. That's what I was saying. When you cross border through the driving, then you need that permit, special permit.
Ah, okay.
Suppose if I go from India to Asia, Middle
Die
East
ganze
by
Route
car.
mal angetatscht gewesen da. Im
Ja.
Haus. Schau mal, wie das raussteht. Der andere Seite, ne?
Oh yeah, this is something. It's not that loose, but yeah.
Ja, die zieht
Oh,
sich
detached.
Here.
Detached one. Look here. It's
Oh,
also
yeah.
the color.
Oh yeah.
Irgendwo
This
ist
was
mal
happening in my Swift also. Eventually.
wir dann zwischen mal aufdingseln. Oh, da hat es eigentlich ziemlich vermuset da.
Ja, das macht nichts. Das kleinste nicht.
So here you did not want to wash? No?
I thought you said glass,
No, no, everything. But it's fine.
but then
When you
wash
come in
it.
the rain, it was anywhere.
Yeah, if we,
We
come
hope
in the rain.
it rains.
Did you make pee-pee?
Yeah. I
Good.
don't know. Maybe. Maybe not.
Klimaanlage hat es ja auch, gell?
Ja, ja, ich weiß. Aber
Somebody
muss
else is
man
coming
nicht.
also. Yeah, yeah, because the big thing is.
So good, we did not go as well.
Also einen oben ab, der andere unten für und der
Ja,
noch.
ist doch
No, no,
immer.
this guy.
Immer wieder. Sicher, aber der wieder wieder gerade
Or maybe he wants to go
Der
here.
hat so.
No, he wants to go maybe here in this campaign.
No, no, he will not go.
Oh, he has to come.
Und da?
Oh, he wants to go.
Ja,
there.
aber er muss durch. Da kommst du so.
So complex.
Es gibt
There is
so,
one more.
es
There is
gibt so
one more. I
Spiele,
think,
gell?
that's
Auf dem
the thing.
Ja,
Handy.
so wäre sehr schwer
To go there,
nachher.
no?
Ist ein Angenießer? Ja, sehr schön. Ja, ja.
Nicht wie eine Verrückte fahren. Gell?
Nein, nein, ganz
Bye.
Bye, Mami.
Bye.
Danke.
Schön gewesen.
schön, danke.
Gute Reise.
Yeah.
Good journey.
Good journey.
Good
yeah.
journey.
Good driving, you said? No.
You don't drive.
Yeah, yeah. I don't drive.
We can go in a parking if you want and you can
I
drive.
will go with mommy.
Yeah, you also
Mommy
can go
will
with
let me
mommy.
drive.
Er kann mit mir. Okay.
Yeah. Fantastic.
Weißt du, er muss einfach nur Parkplatz machen, weil er hat
So, bye.
alles mit links
निकल रहे हैं
gehalten, oder? Ich sag, ganz hoch.
चलो इटली धन्यवाद थैंक यू सो मच
Mit links.
Millings bye bye Varkana Domaso such a beautiful stay you have been wonderful danke vielmals